You must have worn a lot of gold jewelry, but never jewelry made from aluminum cans. That's what we'll make and show you today. We will first take empty cold drink cans. We will put them in a pan with hot water. We will add baking soda to the water and boil the cans thoroughly for 2 to 3 hours. This will also soften the cans, and the colorful printing on top will come off easily. Now dry the boiled can in a basket. Then, using scissors, cut off the front and back of the can. Then cut the middle part straight and make long silver-like aluminum strips. All the paint, printing, and writing on these stones should be thoroughly rubbed with sandpaper until it is completely clean and shines like silver. Now, we will draw a beautiful flower on the cardboard with a pencil and cut it out with scissors. We will use this flower as a template. Now we will place the cardboard flower on top of the aluminum sheet and cut it in the same shape. In this way, one by one, small aluminum flowers will be ready. Now, with the help of tools, make beautiful designs by bending and pressing the leaves. When all the flowers and shapes are made, then our aluminum jewelry set is ready. Check this out. An ordinary trash can is now a beautiful piece of jewelry. If you like this art, then subscribe to the channel and be sure to press the bell icon so that more such ideas keep reaching you.